asked Icy if she was beautiful.
Ice Cube, don't you think I look beautiful?
Oh, no.
Please stand by. An important message will follow. This is a special message interrupting the regular broadcast.
Shelter in place, shelter in place. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Virginia Beach Office of Emergency Management. A curfew has been issued due to a criminal investigation. The curfew will start at 7 p.m. and will be lifted at 6 a.m. If you do not follow curfew, the Virginia Beach Police Department will arrest you and questioned. Please stay tuned to local media outlets for more information.